Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 4, Journal of Standard 11 Commerce, subject account. Today we are going to see the transaction related to loan, and this is the 7th part of the chapter. The first two 6 part is linked in the description. So here loan, there are two type of loan in the business. Very first loan is when we are borrowing loan from the others. So when we are taking loan, at the time cash is coming in the business and the person who is the giver of the loan, there are two type of accounts. So cash is coming, so cash account is going to be debit, and the person who is giving loan, his account is going to be credit. And the other is when we are giving loan to the others. When we are giving loan, at that time the person who is receiving, his account is going to be debit, and cash, as cash is going out of the business, cash account is going to be credit. And again we have to see the interest on loan also. So whatever loan we are taking, for that we are paying the interest, and that interest is going to be debit. And in that situation cash is going out of the business. So journal entry will be interest account debit to cash. And when we are receiving interest, that means whatever loan we have given to others, that people they are going to give us the interest. So in that situation interest will be our income, and in that situation cash will be coming in the business. So cash account debit to interest, that journal entry we are going to pass. So here let's see the same with the help of example. Write journal entry for the following in the books of pronoun. So journal entry, example number 7. Journal entry in the books of pronoun. Okay. So here we are going to prepare journal for the pronoun. Date, particular, ledger folio number, debit amount, credit amount. January 1st. A loan of rupees 15,000 at 14% is borrowed from Pawan for business. So we have borrowed the loan, for that cash is going to come in the business. Cash account debit to 14% loan of Pawan account. 2015 January 1st. Cash account debit to 14% loan of Pawan account. Here amount is 15,000. Being loan of rupees 15,000 borrowed from Pawan. Now let's see the next transaction. March 1st, a loan of 18,000 each. 18% is given to Pushkar. So here we are giving loan. So for loan given, we are going to debit the Pushkar account and credit the cash account. Loan to Pushkar account debit cash account. And here the amount will be 18,000. 18,000 being loan of rupees 18,000 given to Pushkar. So that. Now let's see the next transaction. Paid interest of 6 months on loan borrowed of Pawan. So here we are paying interest on Pawan loan. So we have to count the interest portion. For before that, let's write the journal entry as we are paying the interest, loan interest account debit to cash. That journal entry is supposed to be passed. So on June 30, loan interest account debit to cash account. So here let's find out the interest amount. For that, as we know, we have taken the loan of 15,000 for at the rate of 14% and it is for 6 months. So here the amount will be 1050. So this is the interest amount, and here interest on loan of rupees 1050 paid. Okay, and for that the amount will be 1050. So this is the interest paid. Now August 31st from Pushkar, interest on loan is received for 6 months. So here we are receiving interest, and for that cash account debit to loan interest account. That journal entry is supposed to be passed. Loan August 31st. Here cash we are receiving, so cash account debit to loan interest account. And here 18% calculation of interest will be, here we have given the loan of 18,000 and the percentage is 18 and it is for the 6 months. So amount will be 1620, that interest we are going to get. So here interest on loan, interest on loan of rupees 1620 received. So that will be 1620. And here total will be, the total of this will be 35,670. 35,670. This is the total. So this is the solution for the sum. Thank you students for watching this video.